Have you ever wondered how your organisation can protect itself against the threats posed by nuisance or nefarious drones? What if you could observe, protect, and operate an unidentified drone and controller through an instantaneous and automated system? Department 13 is a drone technology company providing a complete ecosystem of drone solutions that transforms the management of low-altitude airspace, providing security and safety for your people and assets. The system is comprised of 3 integrated products: Scout, Atlas, and Orion. Scout observes, identifies attributes, and locates drones. Scout sensors listen for the unique radio frequency patterns that consumer and commercial drones and their controllers emit. Scout correlates the source's unique signals against Department 13's library of drone fingerprints. Once a unique fingerprint is identified, Scout sends the information and alerts and tracks and logs the drone's activity in Atlas. Atlas provides situational awareness, safety, and intelligence. Atlas is a cloud-based drone awareness platform that correlates live monitoring on all drone activity within your operational area. It allows the user to instantly differentiate between known and unknown drones and controllers, and delivers real-time awareness of potential risks or threats from unauthorized drones and operators. When combined with the drone management system, Atlas can deliver pre, post, and in-flight operational awareness and audit functions, making site safety and auditing fast and simple in a single operational context. Orion provides non-kinetic, non-jamming drone mitigation, allowing you to safely take control of unauthorized drones. Orion is a unique drone threat recognition and mitigation platform embedded into military-grade hardware. When mitigations are initiated, the drone signals in GPS are not jammed. Instead, Orion executes a range of effects and commands, including taking control, directing the drone out of an area, and even landing it in a pre-designated location to be dealt with by ground-based security. Used individually or as part of an integrated system, Scout, Atlas, and Orion provide security and safety for militaries, airports, stadiums and events, prisons, critical infrastructure, and a range of other locations. Built to operate instantaneously and autonomously, Department 13 simplifies the protection of your assets around the globe. Observe, protect, operate. Scout, Orion, Atlas.